What about you? Today I'm going to show you a trick on how to cut hedges with little to no waste. Let's go. Quick shout out to Milwaukee Tools UK who sponsor my channel. These tools were gifted to me free of charge, but they're not going to see this video before you guys, so we're going to put it all together. So let's go and have a look at the tools we're going to use today. Just to show you some of the tools that we're going to be using today. So we'll have the quick lock system, we'll have this new small trimmer from Milwaukee, we'll have their chainsaw. I have done a video on their chainsaw before, I'll link it at the end of this video. We'll have the blower, we'll have the new set of hedge cutters, so we're going to be trying those out. So this bush here, we're just going to give this a really light tidy up with the tools. This was cut a month or two ago, so doesn't need too much of it, but customers just asked us just to give it a wee quick trim.
If you're enjoying this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.
So this bit of hedge here sort of level across to here, and then over the years I wanted this to go up this gate, but I want this now just to take it sort of straight across there. Just at the minute there, Danny's getting as much as he can from the ground, and then it's always easier because the bit that, whenever you're on ladders, the bit that's closest to you is always the hardest bit to get. So there you go, Danny's doing the work as always. Now the trick I'm going to show you very quickly. I'm going to say that a lot of people maybe don't have access to, here in Northern Ireland, we're really fortunate. We can take the green waste to our local recycling centre, but I know in the rest of the UK that isn't the case, or maybe even different parts of Northern Ireland, you can't access your local recycling centre, so we can actually take it away for free, which is absolutely amazing. But that aside, I'm going to show you a trick that is going to get rid of most of the waste, not all of it. You could, if you really wanted to, you could use it to get rid of all the waste, but the trick I'm going to show you, we're going to get rid of most of it, and then we're going to, whatever's left, we're going to put into the customer's brown bin. Nice and easy. Let's get on with that now. Today we're going to be using the Milwaukee mower. Has a mulching plug on it, so we're going to be mulching it after this. Now, just a word of warning, if you're going to be doing this, so I always want to be wearing the right safety gear, all that carry on, and because you want to watch your eyes in case anything flies out. Also, the mower is going to need to be sharpened after you do something like this. If you do something like this, don't expect to be cutting grass with it the next day, or don't expect to be cutting nice grass with it the next day. So quite hard no more, but we're going to have a go with it and see if we can mulch all these clippings down to next to nothing, and see if we can get away with not taking any waste away, or hopefully very, very little waste into the brown bin. So we'll see how we go. Always check the manufacturer's guidelines before trying this with your own lawnmower. So you can see we've had a few passes over this here. It's pretty much broken down. So there's one more process left after this, because there is some stuff here. Now you could return it to the lawn, but this might create a bit of thatch. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a quick blow and just disperse all that stuff into the beds where it's going to not do any harm to the lawn. So today has been a good test for the Milwaukee mower. Now that is a battery lawnmower, and it runs on the M18 batteries. I did a different video on battery runtime, so if you're curious about battery runtimes for Milwaukee, especially Milwaukee hedge cutters, trimmers, strimmers, blowers, all that sort of stuff, watch this video next. Go ahead, watch that, and I'll see you over there.